The best-kept secret, scattered jewels of Moorish history. A journey into the past, uncovering key figures and little-known events that light the path of self-determination for us today, with clear signposts along the way. Our beloved Al-Hajj Malik once said, "Of all our endeavors, history is most prepared to reward our research." There is also a West African proverb which says, "The world is old, but the future springs from the past." Waziri Junaid also said in his book called Nail al-Arab fi Istifsa' in-Nasab, "Whoever does not inform his children of his grandfathers, then has destroyed his child, marred his descendants, and injured his offspring the day he dies. Whoever does not make use of his ancestry, then he has muddled his reason. Whoever is not concerned with his descent, then he has lost his mind. Whoever neglects his origin, then his stupidity has become critical. Whoever does not know his roots, then his idiocy has become great. Whoever does not cause his ancestry to be abundant, then his opinion has become corrupted. Whoever is ignorant of his lineage, then his intellect has dissipated. Whoever does not increase his place of descent, then he has abolished his honor." Junaid ibn Muhammad al-Bukhari once said, "Knowledge is universal and eternal, but it has a social and cultural stamp. It also has a purpose and a commitment to a particular worldview. It therefore cannot be neutral. By the Rahmah of Allah, historical writings and American legal documentation provide a unique perspective on the presence of Muslims during pre-Columbian times to the founding of the United States of America. Documents such as the Treaty of Marrakesh, 1786, the United States Constitution, Article 6, 1787, the Sundry Moors Act, 1790, the Bilali Document, 1812, Amistad Mutiny Decision, 1841, and the Moroccan Sultan Decree, 1863. These are powerful proofs which serve to illustrate how intelligent and brilliant our predecessors were in their negotiations and usage of the pen. We believe that had we as a Moorish people continued our legal pursuits, the entire trajectory of our status in America could have been impacted by positive lawful and legal outcomes that would have given birth to an Islamic autonomy in our homeland, had this knowledge been well known and acted upon.